net eh. And yeah, try to do something about it. Kaya lang masyadong mahina yung pagka tip over niya ng bola.
Unfortunately, that one will not stay in. Putos ulit para din sa Vietnam.
Malakas kasi ang mga bola talaga ng Vietnam eh. Kaya even if you're in possession, ang hirap i-control. Kaya, you know, when you have strong hitters, do not move your arms when you're receiving their hit.
And the Philippines on the board again.
At ang ganda nung ginawa ni Gia Morado. Ilang beses niyang ginawa yan, yung magic tip ng setters. 1-2 play. Ginawa niya ilang beses sa U23 yan. It earned Philippines a point and it did so here as well.
Rejected up top. Gonzaga protecting the net.
And you could hear, no, nagbibilang sila eh, ng 1, 2, 3 para synchronize ang blockers. At ang ganda ng pagka-block, synchronized na synchronized. But that block was care of Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Two-point lead para sa Pilipinas. Lazaro clearing everyone out para kay Jovelyn Gonzaga. The dive, the save, and the counter-attack para sa Vietnam. Oh, they get the regalo and put it down.
Focus ang kailangan ng Philippines ngayon. Very important because you have to know kung kanino mo ibibigay yung bola, pang ilang taas ng bola na ba to, first ball, second ball, third ball na ba to. Para, you know, ang isa pang technique na nakikita ko dito sa Vietnam, pag ini-easy over nila, binibigay nila yung bola kay Gia Morado para hindi makaset up ng play ang Philippines.
The service brought to you by Smart Live More and Alyssa Valdez with a booming kill.
A good cross-court hit there. Malakas na cross-court hit. Late ang defense player ng Vietnam.
Valdez from the service line. Running attack denied. Oh, but that one goes to Vietnam dahil may violation at the net.
Yun din, no? Medyo nagpapile up ang net violations natin. Kaya kailangan maingat. Kunyari may electricity ang net. Bawal hawakan talaga ito.
Here's Dakis. Blocked at the top. Ball still in play. Chance ball. Sinugo dito ng Pilipinas. Here's the windup. More power this time for Do Thi Min.
And that was a quick off-the-block hit by Min. Doing a good job using her head there. Kita niya yung blockers right in front of her. Tall blockers from the Philippines. So, off the block mo na lang para quick point.
Jaja Santiago, the G of the Jaja connection.
At alam mo, makita-kita mo, tingnan mo sa replay na to, ang tigas ng fingers ni Gia Morado for a good setup there for Jaja. Now, hopefully, Jaja gets the ball over the net this time. And she does.
Off the blocker, kaso walang come-over.
Alam mo, ang bagal na nung urong ng bola, nung pasok ng bola kasi na-touch na ng blockers ng Philippines. Kaya lang yung coverage natin ang medyo mabagal.
Tied game, 6-all in set number 3. Quick play para kay Dindin Manabat, and the Philippines will score.
This time, the violation was made by Vietnam.
The way the Filipinos are playing, kahit out of contention na tayo, dahil natalo tayo ng 2 sets,
yes,
lumalaban pa rin. Ganyan naman talaga ang Pilipino eh.
Oo, may puso every time lumalaban.
Malay mo, maipanalo pa rin kahit 5 sets.
Yeah, why not? Aim for that. Pero yun, ang ganda ng ginawa ni Chi, no? Kung si Gia Morado ay nakapuntos from a 1-2 play, siya din, si Chi din.
7-all, and the service brought to you by Smart Live More. Can they serve up an ace? This is that looper.
And that serve wasn't even a mukhang maglaline. It was really inside. Kailangan sundan ng defense players ang services ng Vietnam.
I know you're watching over us. Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
The answer to my prayers.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because you wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with FamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Mami, bili tayong Milo.
Champion Mom ka with Milo Big Pack. The bigger the pack, the bigger the savings. Buy big now. Surprise!
May special price para sa Pinoy. Save up to 15 pesos sa Happy Classic White Trial Pack. Try mong sarap.
Rap sa mag-happy, rap sa maging Noypi.
Coach Ty Bundit, Jaja Santiago, Aiza Maiza, and the rest of Team Pilipinas at the bench. You know, looking for that one big run, one big fight dito sa set number 3. Lamang lang ng isang punto sa Vietnam, 8-7. So, make that 2.
Alam mo, ang coverage natin, kailangan very active, which means pag kinuha mo yung bola for a coverage, you have to make sure na yung taas ng bola mo ay hindi towards the net. Kailangan vertical yung taas niya para mahabol pa nung kakampit to set up for a play.
Lazaro trying to dive for it, but couldn't handle that one.
We need more movement. We need to see movement. We need to hear the voices of the team players of Team Philippines.
Tatag the timeout on the floor. Maabante Vietnam 10-7.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plan. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
You know, Chicky, I can almost hear all the people watching on TV, all the people, you know, tweeting. Ang dami nagtutweet ngayon. Sina Jem Ferrer, sina Phil Cayetano nagtutweet ngayon. Yung mga fan pages ng volleyball nagtutweet ngayon. Alam mo, halos naririnig ko na sila 5 sets yung sinisigaw. Kasi down yung Pilipinas ng 2 sets, pero syempre gusto pa natin ipanalo ito. Tulad na lang ng puntos na yon na naipanalo ni Rachel Dakis.
At pwede pa tayong umabol kasi ang habulin mo naman dito sa Vietnam, 2 points lang eh. So keep the energy level up and high dito sa Team Philippines and aggressiveness. Kailangan pag pumalo, kailangan hataw.
Chance for Vietnam here, off the back set. Lazaro cleans it up. Morado goes to Valdez. Always a smart option, but couldn't finish that time. Chance ball, sinubo ng Vietnam. At ang playing iraran ni Gia, the back set. The shot, and the finish for Tintin Manabat.
And you know, that set of G was a little bit far from the net for Manabat, pero talagang nagawa niya ng paraan, lumusot sa blockers ng Vietnam. Look at this replay.
And the Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
Late din kasi yung middle blocker ng Vietnam for that hit of Manabat.
Adjustment in midair. Morado was there. Valdez ulit. The tip doesn't go. Manabat naman susubok. Pagkakatulit para sa Vietnam. Attack is good para dito sa Vietnam.
At mukhang yun ang ginagawang play ng Vietnam. Nag-go off the block hit sila. Min did that a while ago and she did it again today. Right now, mukhang yun kasi talagang quick way to earn a point.
Valdez had to adjust, pushes it over. And again, another hammer for Vietnam.
Very important talaga na kung hindi talagang mabablock ng Philippines ang hits ni Tuy and the rest of the hitters of Vietnam, i-deflect man lang nila yung energy level ng bola ng Vietnam.
Another service ace para di sa Vietnam.
Ang hirap din kasi nun tumama sa net yung bola ng Vietnam, kaya yung speed niya nag-iba, yung direction niya nag-iba. Pero yun nga, kaya kailangan very focused ang Philippines. Good first ball.
Pinabol ni Gia. Passer goes out of bounds.
Alam mo, she tried, the first ball of Rachel Daquez was good because it went up, hindi out of bounds right away. Kaya lang nahirapan si Gia to get that second ball.
That time, better reception para sa Pilipinas. At kung mapapaangat lang natin ang bola, sabi ni Baldo, ako na bahala.
Correct. Itaas nyo lang ang itaas ang bola. And I'll do the rest. Tingnan mo. Look at this replay. She goes up, elevation, hits the blockers of Vietnam off the block point.
And serving 14. Oh, what a scramble para di sa Vietnam. Keeping it alive. Chavez Santiago!
Ang galing ng floor defense ng Vietnam, pero nakapunto sa ang Philippines because mabilis yung play ni Gia Morado. Binigyan niya ng quick play right away to si Gia. Ay, si Jaja.
And the performance play brought to you by Peak Performance in Action. That's a result, you know, of their experience in nakita nilang quick pace na ibang countries. And now we serve up an ace.
And now, 2 points na naman lang ang lamang ng Vietnam.
And the Philippines looking to gain momentum, down by just 2 in set number 3.
Guys, may 300 MB tayo.
Stock up on data with Smart Big Bites. May captain types up to 300 MB. 50 pesos lang for 3 days. May free YouTube pa and more. Text Big 50 to 9999.
Vietnam calling for time dahil itong Team Pilipinas binibilisan ng laro, lumalaban, naglalagablab ang mga kamay ng balibolistang Pinay. And we are only down by 2 in set number 3. And again, the battle cry right now para sa Team Pilipinas, extend this into 5 sets.
Yes. Makakuha tayo ng 1 set. Yun na lang munang immediate goal natin. Get 1 set to extend this to 4 sets. And then from the 4th set, we go and aim for 5 sets. Itong Team Vietnam, no, kahit na humahabol ang Philippines, parang relax na relax pa rin sila. During the timeout, meron pang cleaning her fingernails. Wala, parang nothing phases them. So let's see kung anong gagawin ng Philippines para takutin ang Vietnam.
But that time again, Vietnam on the board. Again, always with an answer. Such a composed team. The Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
Again, si Diem, dinaan niya yung hit niya na malakas sa zone 1 through Morado, who's the smaller blocker.
Lucky break para sa Team Pilipinas as Vietnam commits a service error.
Yan, kailangan take advantage agad tayo. Gia with a good service hand.
Julia Melissa Morado with a service. Oh, strong attack and a finish.
That hit was deflected by the blockers of Philippines, kaya lang hindi nakuha ng coverage, floor coverage ng Team Pilipinas.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
I know you're watching over us. Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
The answer to my prayers.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because you wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with FamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Oy, Milo!
Guys, may 300 MB tayo.
Stock up on data with Smart Big Bites. May captain types up to 300 MB. 50 pesos lang for 3 days. May free YouTube pa and more. Text Big 50 to 9999.
Jovelyn Gonzaga and the rest of Team Pilipinas looking to rally dito sa set number 3. Lamang ng tatlo ang team ng Vietnam, 16-13. And Team Philippines giving him a scare right now.
Yan. First ball, maganda.